Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. In this video, I will show you how to fix wallpaper blur at the top. Recently, lot of iPhone user has been reported to iOS 17's update after iPhone lock screen wallpaper blur at the top. In this video, you can see also one subscriber sent me screenshot of wallpaper blur at the top after iOS 17's update. Here in this video, I give you 100% working solutions for iOS 17's update after wallpaper blur at the top problem. Before the starting video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment, share and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. So guys, now first of all find out the photos applications from the iPhone home screens and open it. Now to select the any one photos you should set as a wallpaper on your iPhone screen. Select the photos after right hand side corner edit option. Now please make sure tap on that. After bottom you can see also crop icon available. Now please make sure tap on it. At the top screen you can see also pencil icon, left sides resize options available. Now please make sure tap on it and bottom to select wallpaper. After tap on the right hand side corner done icon. Now that these photos select as a wallpaper, now please make sure tap on the left hand side bottom share icon and select the set as a wallpaper. Now you can see also your blur problem is solved and now tap on the right hand side done icon. This way too you can easily iOS 17's update after wallpaper blur at the top problem fix. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.